Leetcode Biweekly Context 175. Question number 2. Minimum k to reduce array within limit. This is a medium problem. We want to find out a k and make this equation make sense. So let's take this one for example. What we want to do is, with a given k, we want to do some kind of 3 divided by k plus 7 divided by k plus 5 divided by k. And this one gonna less than k squared. So I'm thinking if I can do this to move the k from the left side of the equation to the right side of the equation. In this way, this summation has some relationship is kind of related to the k raised to the power of 3. And if I reverse it back, I can get a number which is something close to k equal to 2. Of course, this will not be the final answer. We may try k plus 1 and plus 1 again. But the reason we are doing this is because this is a medium problem. The intuitive way to resolve this problem is to try each k from integer 1, then 2, 3, blah blah blah. But this is a medium problem, we're gonna have a TLE. Instead of doing that way, we start this loop or brute force from a reasonable number. That's gonna reduce the number of tries significantly. So I believe this way gonna avoid the TLE. Let's have a try.